What's going on, people? We're back with this pearly white acura TL. First video was getting clean.
What would I do if I could reach inside of me and to know how it feels to say, I like what I see.
I didn't really get a chance to do much since then. Nasty Missfire. Let me show y'all how nasty I might have got, or did good.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yep, that's the top of the coil in the back. And this is the top of the second one. There's some looking online, they said it might have been from a bad ECU. Well, not even a bad, just the ECU. So I'll check the ECU out. I'll give the pictures of that later on, or a video of that. So right now up front, what I'm about to do is take the intake and the valve cover off to see the best I could grip this coil to get it out of the cylinder, because I do not want to take the head off. So I'll try to keep you posted as this work goes on, but as we can tell, I do not have a camera mount, so try to keep you posted. Be right back. Nothing too major, just took the top of the intake off. I'm at the top of the, that right there. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing of this color. It looks interesting to me. But if you know if this is if this looks good or bad, please let me know. Don't quite know how long it's been. Work time, little over 40 minutes. Look at this beauty right here. Yeah, so my fault, people. Tired of shit. Yeah, vice grips ain't got it. That's what I was pulling on. So I finished pulling them out. Pause. And then I gotta work on this bad boy. I did get the drawer situation if I need to, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is what it, here we go. On to the next. Yeah, man, I'm still out here with it. I had to get some study real quick. I ain't need that in the engine. So I'm about to clean that off. But she loose. As you can tell, she look a little different when you're first in it. So got a little gripper. I ain't really got the toothpaste to move the plug, but it is what it looks right now. So, yeah, man. See what's going on. Get this bitch out of here. Excuse me, get this one out of here. They had to tune back in. So as we can see, started getting with it. The internal, hold on, let me take this off. I pulled it up a little bit, you know what I mean? I was getting with the internals a little too much. So I had to re-grip her on what was more important. So, yeah, man, I don't know if y'all can y'all see one thing, I see another. But we hear the same. Yeah, man. See if I can mount it. I want to see. I want to try to see this. Look at this. This action. I need a hand or a stand. Stand would be a little bit better if I got another hand. Oh, that's perfect. There you go. Go off the powers, man. This one looked like it was the problem child. I gotta create a contraption to get some leverage to pull this. Finally got it out. Now take these spark plugs out, see what they look like, change them. Switch to ECU, gotta go find that one. Or see what this one look like first. First stick this one out, see what that look like. And then, yeah, man. Switch that one. Find something to waterproof this shit. I gotta switch the fucking heater coil. So I gotta find a way to waterproof that, but yeah. Here we go. So people, real quick, got everything back. Hoses and all that on here.